Up guys, today is day 3 of playing Bee Swarm Simulator because apparently on day 1 and day 2 I was just figuring out how to play the game and you guys don't want to see that, so I just started on day 3 because now I got more things, 16 more questions. I'll give you my diamond egg. You got a royal jelly though. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to take these questions. Let's see what the quest is. Let's see this lucky landscaping quest. Cloverfield. We have to get 100,000 from the Cloverfield. As you see, the quests keep getting harder and progressively. And you guys may already know that, so I'll just stop yapping from now. And meet you guys when I'm done with the quest. Guys, we finally completed the quest after so long. Let's give it to this guy. It took me 5 to 10 minutes to do that quest. Oh, let's just get this room in the way. Give me some blooms so I don't leave. Oh my god, I'm at 455,000 today. That's actually nice for a beginner like me, since it's only 3 of me playing. And I think that's kind of trash at the same time. 15 more questions, I'll give you my diamond armor. Okay, nice. Did that just Oh my god. No way, man. That is way too much grinding. I guess I have to do it. Let's go to some place which has actually a lot of blue pollen. First, let me just convert my pollen. And I'll meet you there when I'm done with it. Barely even. So I'll meet you guys if when I'm there. Because I bet you guys are gonna get bored while watching this touch. Only 1,000 times. So that's too well. Guys, this is so frustrating. I'm not even done yet. Okay, we're finally back, and somehow that literally took me 20 minutes. So now I learned my lesson. So let's just go upgrade our gear now. Yeah. And I am here, guys. Let's see what we get now. Okay, I have that. Elite barrel. And the electromagnet. Yep. Oh my god, is that the pulsar is better? No, it's the same. Sorry, oh my god. These actually bad. Meet you there. Yo guys, beat this. And let's see if we're gonna get beat. Yay! Royal Jelly, let's go. Let's go. Oh, and a raging link. Let's get some heat and run all the way to there. Okay. Yes, sir. Finally, I'm done. Believe that took me also 50 minutes. When he said give me a reward and plus, after telling you guys that I've been making this video for literally 40 minutes, but the video is only 4 minutes long. Okay, got the blue mushrooms. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna have to go for AFKs even longer, guys. Okay, well, I don't want to grind anymore, guys. This is the final quest I'm doing, guys, okay? Let me just get started. Oh my god, get away from me, you ugly guy. Let me just show you how how much hard work it takes. I'm just gonna show you like 2 minutes but it's like how hard it's actually. You click and see this how much percent that went up from how much of it I already did. That's barely 1%, like no, not 1%, like 2% or 4%. 4%, like 3%. That sounds lucky, but like it's literally been 30, 40, 50, 40% already. So like, I'll later, guys. Let me just do this one. This is the final one I'm doing because I'm getting really tired of it. Screw it, I'm not doing it. If you guys want to see more continue from this quest because I'm not doing this, of course, then it's so hard. Yeah. So like, I'm gonna make a video next time. So like, subscribe and like or something. If this video gets like only 3 likes because I'm generous, so you can get a part 2, or maybe it's coming out tomorrow. Bye.